Don't date without money. You are going to be poor. Date when you have money, when you are stable. Don't marry when you are not stable. Stabilize yourself mentally, spiritually, financially. Yeah, I'm so grateful to be here with you, and making content is not easy, especially when you don't have time. When I get a little time, I must use it wisely. For the first viewers, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like. I wanted to talk about my life. Since I was in Kenya, I used to hustle hard for my life, and I never give up until my career, my YouTube career, succeed as I planned. So for those who watch me, thank you very much, and keep supporting. I wanted to talk about my life back in Kenya. I used to stay in a place called Pipeline. As you know, Pipeline is so congested, and I would work hard and live, get food, pay rent. Is only working hard to live, but still I had a dream. Sometimes I used to have friends who were in a crime, and I used to talk to them and tell them that a crime does not pay. If you don't quit crime, do what is positive to the society and to you, you will realize that crime does not pay. This is your life. You must work for it. No one will do it for you. Being yourself, you'll meditate about yourself, your future, and your dream. Think about it. Think about it. If you hate a person, that means you are defeated. Think about it. Play cool. Play cool. Never fail yourself. Avail yourself. Explore more, learn more. Use your money to learn, to invest in yourself. And don't take advice from weak people who want you to fail. Never take such advices from such people. Be wise. You are a man. Wewe ni mwanaume. You are a man. If you don't work on yourself, life will beat you. It will take you down. Keep moving. Keep doing what you are doing. Never stop what you are doing. Never stop what you are doing. This is life. You must fight for what you stand for. You must fight for what is right and for what is positive. Work on yourself. Strategize on yourself. Meditate on yourself. Work on yourself. Never give up. How many times have I repeated such work? Never give up on yourself. Invest. Have money. Have money. Date. Don't date without money. You are going to be poor. Date when you have money, when you are stable. Don't marry when you are not stable. Stabilize yourself mentally, spiritually, financially. I repeat, financially. Financially. Work on yourself. Marry when you have something, money. Money is everything. When money is gone, marriage is broken. When money is gone, you are nothing.